But we saw that power last season. Here comes the 3-2 pitch. There's a shot for a base hit through the hole. Hanley hitting third. Carrera up and gunning. Going to be a play at the plate, and he is safe. Did he touch home plate? He did. That run scores, and down to second is Travis Shaw.
Kind of strange that Hanley didn't slide at home plate. Little stutter step. He got in. But you see a breaking ball that Travis stays back on. Big hole open right there, right to the shortstop position. Carrera throw to the plate up the line. Hanley's already by him. See him, little stutter step right there. He couldn't get the tag on him. You see, I didn't see him touch the base though. You see that? Oh, then he did.
I think he did the second time. Yeah.
Little off balance, throw up the line. He gets in.